everyone and welcome to the new session. In this video we're gonna explain how to configure the vPC. In the previous video already we covered the vPC theory part. Now it's the time to learn how to configure vPC. So as you can see here we have two servers and two layer switches and two Nexus switch. What I gonna do, I wanna make the connection here. Okay, so I have switch 13 is connected to Nexus 1 and as well for Nexus 2, and same for switch number 14. After that I need to make the connection for the management. This is the management for what? For keep alive link, okay, or the heartbeat. Okay, I will go to the management here and management here. Okay, great. Then also I have a two port called what? Called the peer link. Okay, called the peer link. Let's okay, let's choose 1 3 and 1 3, and also I will make an LSCP or the ether channel between Ethernet number 3 and Ethernet number 4 as what? As peer link. Okay, this is the peer link and this is the keep alive, and this IP address is for the management. Okay, and as you can see here, the server in the same network. You can use the VLANs or you can use other network. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we need to organize our configuration. So first we need to enable the feature for the vPC and LSCP. So as we know, in the switch Nexus, all the features are disabled. Okay, if we try to access right now, I'm trying right now access to switch Nexus. Okay, let's see, show future. If you press enter, you will find all the protocols are disabled. Okay, so not all, but there is some port by default are enabled, but we need to enable some, like what? Like vPC in our case and LSCP. Okay, so let's move right now. Let's increase the font. Okay, 14, it's good. I think now is better. Okay, configure. We will I would like to change the name is Nexus 1. Okay, good. Then what? Then I need to enable the feature for vPC and feature for what? For LSCP as well. Okay, good. I will do the same here. Configure hostname Nexus 2. This is 1. Okay, good. Then future vPC enable. Okay, and future LSCP enable. Okay, good. After we enable the features for vPC and LSCP, now we need to create the vPC domain. Okay, we need to create vPC domain. How to configure vPC domain? I would say vPC domain and I give a number. So if you want to give any number, as you can see here, you have 1 till what? Till 1000. So let's for example choose for example 50. Okay, after we choose the 50, okay, we create vPC domain already. Here we are in the Nexus number 2. Now in the number 1 vPC domain 50 as well. Okay, good. After we configure these two, okay, we need to configure the keep alive link. In the keep alive link we have two options. Option number 1, to configure it to dedicated what? Dedicated physical interface. And you have another method also, it's optional one. You can configure it to the management interface. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, in our case I will use the management. Okay, management 0. and I will give IP address for this management 192.168. What is the network? 50. Okay, 1/24. Okay, then now shut down. Before give the IP address, now IP address. Okay, we need to assign that one to the VRF member. Okay, VRF member management. Okay, now shut down, then IP address now is good. Okay, 51/24. Nice. Okay, in the other side also, interface management 0, assign it to the VRF member management, now shut down. Okay, then IP address 192.168.52/24. Okay, good. Now if we try to ping to 192.168.52, okay, source 192.168.51 here, 51, and source 52, VRF management should be receive a ping. Okay, the ping is working right now, that's great. Okay, now let's move to create the keep alive link. To create keep alive link, we need to access to vPC domain. Our domain is 50. Okay, then I would say keep or peer keep alive. The destination, I am in the Nexus 1, which is we have 192.168.51, so the destination is 192.168.52, and the source is 192.168.51. Okay, good. And I will do the same in the other side. Okay, vPC domain 50. Okay, peer keep alive, destination 192.168.10 or 50, sorry, 51, and the source, what is the source? 192.168.52. Good. Now if we check in the peer link or the keep alive peer link is up or not, show vPC peer keep alive. Yeah, as you can see here, the keep alive status, the peer is alive, okay, and the status is success. Okay, this is the parameter of my neighbor 52. Other side also you will found 51. Okay, so it means the first and the second and the third already we configure these two things. Okay, so right now what we gonna do, we gonna configure the peer link. Okay, configure the peer link, which is these two interfaces is responsible for what? Responsible for the data traffic. Okay, so when my data traffic like that, it will be goes like that, or that way or that way, because all are in the logical interface, logical switch, sorry. Okay, so if my traffic going like that, so the traffic will goes on to this LSCP. Okay, in the 1 or 4 is based on the LSCP mechanism. Okay, that's good. So let's move to configure these two interfaces. So I have interface 1 and 4. So first of all, I need to write interface Ethernet, okay, 3 and 4, because we'll be in the same in the same LSCP. So in Nexus we don't need to write a range. Okay, so we can do just like this. Okay, as you can see here, we are in the range. Okay, we have 1 3 and 1 4. So now we said switch port mod trunk. Okay, good, that's great. Then I will add these two ports to the member channel. For example, we choose number 10. Okay, and the mode is active. Okay, good. Then what we gonna do, we need to create the port channel number 10, and I would say what? I would say switch port mode trunk. Okay, now shut down, and I will define this LSCP is the peer link. So how can I say this is the peer link? Okay, I will say VPC, which VPC number, what number, I'm choosing number 10. Okay, good, great. If we going to the other side in the switch number 1, we already do this 1 3 and 1 4 with LSCP number 10, and also same with this interface Ethernet 1 3 to 4. Now shut down, switch port mode trunk, and channel, okay, it's a little bit heavy, channel group 10 mode active. Okay, after that we need to create the port channel for 10, and I said now shut down, switch port mode trunk, then what, then VPC, which number 10. Okay, good. Now you can try to verify, show VPC brief. Okay, you will found the link, the peer link not configured. Why the peer link is not configured? Okay. I make a mistake. So usually we use the peer link comment, okay, not added to the VPC. This is my issue. Sorry. Show run interface channel or interface port channel 10. So if we say here the VPC 10, okay, so this is not, we have a mistake here. We need to what? To do the peer link. Okay, no problem. Let's access to the interface. That's why the peer link is not configured. He said the peer link, you need to mention the peer link. Okay, this is can happen. Now VPC 10, and I will say this is the peer, or this is VPC peer link. Okay, good. And the other side also, I need to access to interface port channel 10, and I will say no VPC 10. Okay, and here I will say VPC peer link. Okay, nice. Now we need to check if VPC peer link is up or not. Brave. Okay, still down. Why still down? Because the port channel is down. Let's do some troubleshoot. Show interface brief. So here we have the management. Okay, we have 1 3 and 1 4. 1 is initialized. Let's see. Show run interface Ethernet 1 3. Okay, mode trunk. Okay, good. And what about 4? Okay, channel mode 10. Okay, good. Switch port mode trunk. Let's see the other side. Show interface brief. 4 1 3 is up and 1 4 still down. Show run interface 1 4. Okay, let's do one thing. It happens sometimes. Shut down. Now shut down. On the other side also. Interface Ethernet 1 4. Shut down. Now shut down. Let's check again. As you can see, yes, it's a success. Yeah, trunk. Sometimes it happens in the Nexus, especially in Nexus. Okay, 4 is still not connected, very strange. Yeah, now it's up. Okay, good. If we checking right now, show vPC Brave, yeah, that's great. Peer adjacency format, okay, and the peer is alive, all are success. Okay, that's good, nice. And also here in the Nexus what, show vPC Brave, okay, show vPC Brave is success. So here we have a vPC rule. Here the primary, this is taking like a primary, okay, and this is the secondary, okay. This is based on the priority. If the priority are the same, so it will be what? It will check the MAC address like spanning tree, okay. So this is about the peer link. So right now is the time to what? To configure these two interface or port member, okay. The port member is interface 1 and 1.2, and here is 1 and 1.2. In this case, I will use, this is the ether channel 1.1, okay, and 1.1 here. I will add it in the port channel number 20, and for 1.2 and 1.2 here, I will add it in the port channel number what? Number 30, okay. So let's go to do that. Interface Ethernet 1.1, now shut down, switch port mode trunk, okay, then a port channel port channel number 20, mode active, mode, what's this, port channel, port channel, why port channel, what's going on here? Ah, not port channel, sorry, channel group 20, okay, mode active, okay, then interface port channel, now this port channel, okay, now shut down, switch port mode trunk, okay, then I will say here the vPC is number what? The member of vPC is 10, okay. I will say here, or 20, let's use 20 to this one just to organize thing, okay. So this is the 20 and this is the 30, okay. After we configure all of this, okay, this switch and this switch, we'll see what? We'll see all these two switch as one logical switch, okay. Okay, great. Then move to other interface to, now shut down, switch port mode trunk, and what? And add it to the channel group number 30, mode active as well, and also to create the port channel number 30, now shut down, switch port mode trunk, and what? And in the vPC number 30. Okay, great. And what about the other one? It's all the same, just to we can copy show run, okay, we can copy interface Ethernet, which Ethernets 1.1 and 1.2 as well. We can do like that, okay, and configure it here, okay, and configure it here, switch port mode trunk, okay, channel group 20 here, okay, then go to the other side for 30. Also now is copying, okay, good, just to make sure everything is correct. We have 1.1 in the 20 and 1.2 in the 30. Okay, so now what we gonna do, gonna move to what? To interface channel, okay, interface channel 20 and 30. Okay, good. Here That's nice. Let's check also for double check. We have a 10, 20 and 30 with the vPC 30. Okay, good. So now if we checking in the nodes now, let's configure first here in this switch the LSCP. Okay, the LSCP. So let's access to the layer 2 switch, enable. This is layer 3 by the way. I will do also the range. Here must use the range because switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk. Okay, good. And also, oh sorry, I need to add it in the port channel. Channel group, let's say is number 20. Mode what? Mode active. Mode active. Then create interface port channel for 20, and I would say switch port mode trunk. Okay, that's all. Let's go to the other switch 14. Okay, I would say interface range, which range 1 and 2, switch port mode trunk, or sorry, switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, then switch port mode trunk. Okay, good. Then add it to the channel group number what? Number 30, because in the channel number 30, mode active. Okay, then interface port channel number 30. Okay, switch port mode trunk. Okay, good. Now if we checking here LSCP is up or not, show what? Show LSCP neighbor. As you can see here, I can see my neighbor. Okay, this is the MAC address, and look the thing here, we have the same MAC address. So it means what? It means we have two switches. Okay, it means the switch can see it in one logical switch, you see. And also here, if we go to the 14, show LSCP peer or neighbor, you will find it the same, you see, as one logical switch. Even we have two physical switches, so it means vPC is success. So now we have the last thing to arrange the ping. Let's go to the server. I will give IP address 192.168.10.1.255.255.0, and sorry, I give a wrong one, wrong MAC address. Okay, it makes an issue, no problem. Let's add a new one just for testing. Let's see this. Okay, I'll give an IP address for this one. IP address 192.168.10.255.255.255.0. Okay, and for this VPC, give the IP address 192.168.10.1.255.255.255.0. So now we will test the reachability between these two servers. To goes like this. Okay, so let's ping 192.168.10.2. Okay, as you can see here, the ping is success, and also from this server 68.1.10.1. okay, the ping also is success. So it means everything is working. I hope so everything is clear. Okay, for any question or anything, you can keep a message in the comments. Okay, thank you so much for your watching and consideration, and see you in the next sessions.